As we speak, AI is creating a brand new class of wealthy entrepreneurs. And it's not just the tech gurus in Silicon Valley trying to build the next ChatGPT. I'm talking about regular people with no coding experience or no tech background making multiple six figures every single year by selling this type of AI solution. And I would know this because I am one of them. Look, 2 years ago, I turned down my 70K per year Boeing job all the way out in LA to go all in on the AI revolution. And since then, I've built an AI avatar agency that's now making me 30K per month consistently. I've worked with other agencies, coaches, and consultants, helping them scale their content without having to ever be in front of a camera using this AI technology. And they're willing to pay me multiple five figures for this solution. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact complete beginner blueprint that I wish I had when I first started. Grab a pen and paper, start taking notes, because you can implement the exact steps that I am giving you right now in this video for free to start making money with this business model in 2026, honestly, within the first 3 months. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first phase is going to be 0 to 10K per month, which is essentially starting the business and getting your first 3 clients. What you want to do is identify the problem, right? You need to understand the golden opportunity, which is AI video and AI avatars for content creation. Because the thing is, most business owners, they need consistent content. They need a digital presence to stay alive in this day and age, but they often lack the time or desire for filming because they don't like being in front of a camera or don't have the time or desire to put down the camera and record or go to a studio and record. So the market here is simple, right? It is a simple problem that business owners need consistent content and a personal brand to generate leads and build social proof, but just lack the time and dislike being on camera. The solution is simple. You clone the business owners using AI avatar systems like HeyGen, 11 Labs, even Nano Banana nowadays, and then you create daily content without them filming, maintaining an authentic voice. The ROI is super clear. Your service generates leads and grows their brand automatically. Clients can scale content across platforms without filming themselves. This also goes to ads as well, right? Let's say that you're an e-commerce brand and you're trying to promote some, like, I don't know, supplement product. Like I got these, maca pills, right, that I take for energy. You can generate hundreds of videos using AI systems without needing to go and get the business owner to record and create content or whatever it may be. Or it's a B2B business where you're building a personal brand, educating your audience. You can just simply create an AI avatar of the business owner and use that to actually make content for them that drives leads to their business. The way you want to craft your offer is super simple. Have a setup for the actual creation and strategy consulting behind it. There's a one fee for the actual setup of the AI avatar or AI video technology. Then you want to have a monthly retainer for recurring videos and content. This ensures that you're getting consistent revenue and you actually have enough time to generate substantial results for your clients. Early on, what I did when I was trying to get my clients is I actually waived the setup fee and only charged a monthly retainer. That way, there's a strong perceived value in the sense of, hey, they're setting this up for free and also giving me some sort of management. Now, how do you actually get clients when you're starting out, when you have no proof? The beauty of this offer is that you can become your own first case study. So build the system for yourself, build your own AI avatar. And while you're doing this, here's how to land your first paying clients. You want to start with warm outreach. Contact your network, right? And offer a free setup for your first 2 to 3 clients in exchange for testimonials. Your network can be your friends, your family friends, your family group chats, your neighbors, your followers, your coworkers, your colleagues, your fellow students and peers. There's so many people that you know as human beings. And even if you have no friends, you have followers on social media, you have some sort of place where you can talk to someone. You're going to talk to 2 types of people: a type of person who is a business owner or a person you can sell, and a person who you can't sell, who that might have a full-time job or may not be in a relevant industry, but they know someone that you can sell. So talk to absolutely everyone. Make it a conversation. Don't try to go and straight up pitch them, right? Just have a conversation. Just tell them about what you're doing. See if they would find it valuable. If they are someone that would find it valuable, offer them free services. If they're not someone, ask them if they would know someone that might find it valuable and connect with them. Super, super easy. And this is how I got my first 2 to 3 clients as well. The second stage is going to be cold outreach. You want to do this on Instagram or a social platform where the product will actually be placed, right? Find business owners with the recent posting gaps. Maybe someone hasn't posted in a month or two, and straight up ask them, hey, I saw you haven't posted in 2 months or so. Are you too busy? Like, Can I just clone you with AI and post content for you anyway, so you can continue to generate leads and build your personal brand like you already have been? Try to send 25 DMs a day. Don't hit the Instagram DM limits, but try to send 25 DMs a day for 3 weeks. And as you do this, use organic content. Use the system to sell itself. Post viral style, educational style content, and use the system to sell itself. It's literally the easiest way to sell a product. The mindset shift here is super simple. Businesses need leads. They don't need complex automations. They don't need end-to-end automation workflows or frameworks or AI agents. Yes, they need them, but you don't have to be the one to sell it, because selling time saving is hard, but selling money making is easy. Now, your second phase is 10K to 50K per month. To scale your business after this, to hit this 50K month mark, you need to really focus on systemization and delegation. So these are 4 critical levers that you need to pull. First is productizing your offer, right? An 80-20 templatized system. You need to create a template for onboarding strategy and production that can pretty much reduce your time needed on fulfillment very simply. Use existing GPTs, create existing prompts, create, trainings and templates that your client can follow for onboarding. The second one is going to be raising your prices. It's a lot easier to get more money from someone you've already sold than to sell someone completely brand new. So upsell your existing clients and then also raise your prices. Work with less people that pay more. That way you're not bogged down in fulfillment, and you're also working with better clients. You've probably heard this all the time, but more expensive clients are actually easier to fulfill. These clients that are paying less money, they're so nitty gritty because they're just not at that stage in their business where they bother you about every single thing. But someone who's paying more, they're so much more willing to just say yes, trust you, and expect results. So give them the results, because they're not going to annoy you about the nitty gritty. The third lever you can pull is building proof. You want to continue to build as many proof points as possible, even if it's something as simple as how easy the onboarding was or how quickly you got their avatar set up. It doesn't necessarily need to be the most complex, amazing results yet. Every single point of the way, try to collect some sort of results, testimonials, outcome. Use this to show your prospects verifiable results, which will make your sales process much easier. And the fourth and most important lever is to hire a team. Hire key personnel. For this offer, it would definitely be a marketing director or strategy director, and then a client success director, right? Consider paying them via percentages and bonuses, so you're not stressed about some sort of fixed cost every single month, right? If the client signs for 6 months, then give them a percentage of that contract for that 6 months. Now, in terms of a sales process, this is when you're going to shift from a 2-call close to a 1-call close. When you're starting out in the 0 to 10K per month, you want to do a 2-call close. The first call is simply you telling the prospect, I'm not pitching you, I'm not selling you anything, I just want to learn more about you and if I can even help. You do an initial discovery call to uncover pain points and discuss potential ROI and value and solution. The second call is where you present a custom proposal, offer a demo if it's valid, and close. So you aim to collect the payment and close them on the second call. This makes it less stressful for you and obviously less stressful for the client. Once you get better at sales, once you have more case studies, once you feel more confident, literally do a 1-call close. 15 to 30 minute discovery in the beginning of the call, and then a 15 to 30 minute pitch. And if you're good at doing discovery, pre-handling objections that they might give you once the price drops, you will not receive any objections and you can onboard then and there. If they do give you objections, spend another 10 to 15 minutes handling objections and then close them. Now, this is phase 3 where you want to expand to 100K per month. Now, if you're trying to reach millionaire status, and this is really my exact plan for this coming year in 2026, is delegate everything. Right now, I only handle around 10% of fulfillment per client. Realistically, I could step away from this agency and only spend maybe 2 to 3 hours a week, and the agency would still run. Now, to take things to the next level, I need to step away from the agency and it still needs to grow. That's where I delegate everything in terms of sales, right? And marketing. So to expand to 100K per month, you want to delegate everything top to bottom. Focus on first delegating client fulfillment so you can always be the head and lead of sales and marketing. But once you're trying to expand, hire a salesperson and create SOPs and trackers around that. Focus on growth and empower your team to handle fulfillment, so that is nothing you need to worry about. The biggest thing here is to build your personal brand. A personal brand is so powerful and evergreen that it will take you to 100K per month, whereas with ads, you need to brute force it. Combining organic plus ads is going to be the ultimate power move to hitting 100K per month. Leverage this system for your own content creation, right? Post daily and use a strategy of around 70% viral, 20% authority, and 10% conversion content. Without getting too deep into it, because I have some other videos that break this strategy down, I call it the VAC content framework. Viral content is super broad net content that just generally targets the niche you're in, right? So the world of AI and AI news. Authority content is more educative, perspective shifting content. And conversion content is straight up, I generated this case study for this client. I got this outcome for this person. If you want to achieve this result, book a call with me, right? Straight up sell it. And finally, expand revenue streams. Launch high ticket partnerships and create info products that instead of our being one-to-one are one-to-many, right? Position yourself as the client's indispensable AI content partner. Now, your org chart is going to be pretty much you, the CEO, focusing on strategy, growth, and high-level relationships and partnerships. You want to have directors like marketing and client success directors, and maybe other directors as well, like director of editing, manage your operation. Then you want to have specialists that are doing the nitty-gritty tasks that actually make the output. Now, there's two paths to expanding revenue without just taking on hundreds of clients, which is absolutely a nightmare. The first one is becoming a high ticket partner. Offer an audit for the same price that you would have offered the actual fulfillment. Provide detailed setups and systems, and then deliver strategic consulting where you actually get a percentage of the revenue or profits of working with the client. That's what I'm working on right now with one of my clients, and it's our biggest client. We've generated the most lifetime value with this client by, rather than charging straight up monthly retainer, we take a setup fee in the beginning, and then we just deliver a actual month to month consulting, and we get the benefits of what we work. So if we do better one month, we make more money one month. So not only is the team more incentivized, but the client is excited and we can make more from a singular client. The second path is info products or one-to-many. Rather than servicing just one client at a time, you switch to info products, which would be courses or consulting material where you offer frameworks to replicate this system. And that way you can generate scalable income through digital products. Now look, 2026 is almost coming up. So here is a clear 12-week roadmap to hitting 30K per month with your AI avatar agency in 2026. You want to follow this exact blueprint to build this business from 0 to 30, 50K per month and compress my 3 years of hard work building my own business to get to where I am now into 12 weeks. Look, week 1 is simple. Establish your foundation, right? Learn to use these technologies, become your own case study, right? Initiate warm outreach and cold DMing, right? Try to get brute force clients by just talking to as many people as possible and getting case studies as quickly as possible. If you offer the service and setup for free, that is okay. Your goal is to get case studies and proof that you can deliver this service successfully to people. Then you want to start systemizing. As you start building case studies, working with more clients, you want to start systemizing so then you can eventually delegate the hardest tasks to different people. Hire your first team member to assist with fulfillment. Develop standard operating procedures for all the key tasks in this system and process, and shift your focus to sales and client acquisition. Then you want to go to scaling and growing. You want to delegate early sales responsibilities to team members, right? Having an appointment setter, having a sales rep, having a marketing strategist who's doing content for you. Build your personal brand and focus on your own personal brand and creative strategy. Expand into these higher ticket service offerings like launching an info product or maybe doing partnership in like growth operating with business owners, and establish yourself as an industry authority so then you can scale even further. Look, the truth is I have genuinely given you the exact blueprint that you need to follow in order to actually start making money with this business model. You can learn and leverage these exact proven systems that I'm using for myself to create your own version of this system. I'm currently making over 30K a month consistently, and I'm closing 12.5K deals up front and commanding these premium prices from high quality clients. And honestly, like I said, I really only have to work 2 to 4 hours a week on this agency for it to run and to fulfill with my clients. I am just addicted to the game, so I like to work much more than that. So here's the reality. You don't need to code. You don't need a large audience. You don't need prior business experience. You just need to commit. So if you truly, truly want to commit, AI technology, AI videos are going to be some of the most massive trends of 2026. If you want to make this work for you, you need to act now. Not on January 1st, not next week, not next year, now. And look, if you're someone that wants to act now and doesn't want to go through all of the trial and error of having to figure it out themselves and skip straight to results by working with someone who's already proven to do this for themselves, click the first link in the description below to apply for my one-on-one mentorship, where I'm going to not throw a course at you or throw some program, hand hold you one-on-one across 12 weeks to help you craft your offer, understand the right tools and processes and frameworks to deliver this to clients, become your first case study for yourself, and actually get clients to hit your first 10K per month in the first 90 days guaranteed. And if I don't, I will keep working with you until we hit that mark. But look, I'm still running my own agency. I'm still scaling my own business. And so I can only take on 1 to 2 more mentorship students in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So if you are truly a serious individual that wants to make this happen, change their life, and build a business that gives them time and location freedom, click the link below to apply. And if you're a good fit, I want to schedule a call with you to understand your current situation, your goals, and how your future is going to look in the next 90 days if we work together. I'm not promising you're going to be a millionaire overnight, but I am promising that you are going to get the exact systems, framework, and guidance that got me to 30K a month consistently. And for most people, that's pretty life-changing, working wherever you want, moving to the place you want to. I'm very blessed with the life I live, and I want to be able to offer that to those that are looking to seriously leverage the AI trend and make this happen for themselves. So if that sounds like you, without me blabbing too much further, click the first link in the description below, apply to the mentorship, and if you are a good fit, I will see you on that call. But regardless, I hope this video was extremely valuable. 2026 is coming. AI avatars and AI video technology are not stopping anytime soon. So follow the blueprint, leverage this business model, and I promise you will be eating good in 2026. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And as always, take care.